Hello creative people, welcome back to another brand new video by mhrabby. In this video, we are going to reviewing the Boya By-mm1, the best budget microphone for vlogging under $30. So let's find out if it worth it. So let's get started and have some fun. So here it is, our Boya By-mm1 microphone. You will see a photo of the microphone on the front side of the box. And you will get a small specifications listed on the back side of the box. So let's unbox the microphone and see what's inside of the box. Later we will see a test review of the microphone. So guys, here it is, the cool budget microphone. You will get some user manual to operate the microphone. Now let's look at our main microphone. The build quality is so good, and although it's a budget microphone, but the body is made of metal. Here is the main microphone, and the 3.5 mm output is here. Really guys, you cannot understand how premium it feels until you touch the body. This is the wind filter to reduce the noise of the airflow. You will get two connecting cables with the microphone. One for the DSLR or mirrorless camera, and the second one is for your smartphone. Here is the hot shoe mount for the camera. You just need to clip the hot shoe mount to your microphone and set up on your camera's hot shoe mount. This cable is for mobile connection. And lastly, you will get a carry bag with the microphone. Let's check out the microphone with the mobile cable. You will get 2 connecting cables with the microphone, so use the right one. Yes guys, it's recording. Look at the screen. Sorry guys, I couldn't let you hear the sound quality on the mobile, but we will see a test review of the microphone with my Canon DSLR. So let's see the test review. Hi guys, this is the test review of Boya By-mm1 and we have Mr. Fuad Sarkar from Jomidar Ltd.
Hey, what's up? This is your boy Fuad Sarkar from Jomidar Limited. আমি এখন যার সাথে আছি আমার খুব ফেভারিট একজন mhrabby। তোমরা যা ইউটিউবে সার্চ করে দেখতে পারো তার চ্যানেলটা। তোমরা যারা প্রফেশনাল মিউজিক ভিডিও প্লাস ব্লগ করতেছো বা করতে চাইতেছো, তোমাদের জন্য mhrabby is a very important channel. So
Okay, thank you so much for watching this video.
yo pitch.
So guys, I really hope that you enjoyed the video. Give a thumbs up to my video. Also subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. See you next time. Till then, have some fun.